Hello my dear students, I am Bimla Kumawat, your English teacher. Today we will do revision of chapter 2, the visit to the mansion, word meanings. Everyone please pay attention. First, stately mansion, a large impressive house, विशाल कोठी या फिर बेटे बड़ा सा बंगला. सेकेंड, बी फ्रेंड, मेक फ्रेंड्स विथ, दोस्ती करना. 3, क्रॉक हॉर्सली, spoke in a deep harsh voice because of a painful throat, गले में खराश होने से मुश्किल से बोल पाना. 4, flew about, ran around in great hurriedly, जल्दबाजी में दौड़ना. 5, briskly, with a lot of energy, पूरी ताकत से. 6, blancmange, a sweet dish made with corn flour, sugar and milk, मीठा पकवान. 7, sore, painful, दर्द भरा. 8, entertain, do something to make a guest enjoy himself or herself, मनोरंजन. 9, poke the fire, move the woods in a fire with a long stick to make it burn brightly, आग को आगे खिसकाया. Was touched, felt sorry for him, दुखी हुआ. 11, examine, check with interest, परीक्षण. 12, struck her fancy, made her curious, उत्साहित करना. 13, lined with books, filled with many rows of books, किताबों की पंक्तियाँ. 14, quaint, pretty and old fashioned, पुराने ढंग का, अनोखा. 15, sinking into a chair, lowering herself gently into a chair, कुर्सी पर झुकना. Priest, sat on a narrow surface, सकरी गली में बैठा. 17, visit, आना जाना. 18, grandson, पोता. enchanted, मोहक. पैलेस, महल. फील, भरा हुआ. डिलाइटफुल, सुहाना, दिलचस्प. लॉन्ग, आकांक्षित. लोनली, अकेला. शाय, शर्माना. डिसाइडेड, निर्णय किया. अलाउ, स्वीकृति. कंप्लीटली, पूर्णतया. क्वाइट, चुपचाप. शांत. सडनली, अचानक. स्पॉटेड, ध्यान दिया. 32, कर्ली, घुंघराले. लीनिंग, झुकते हुए. पिप्ड आउट, बाहर झांका. वंडर, चकित होना. डल, उदास. वेट, इंतजार करना. एक्साइटेड, उत्तेजित हुआ. टाइडी, साफ सुथरा. क्विक, तेजी से. अपीयर्ड, प्रकट हुआ. डेलिशियस, स्वादिष्ट. कंफर्टिंग, आरामदायक. रिफ्यूज, मना करना. किटन, बिल्ली का बच्चा. टर्न, मुड़ना. चीयरफुल, आनंदित. स्लिप, फिसलना. हर्ट, चोट लगना. सोर, दर्द भरा. थ्रोट, गला. रेस्ट, आराम करना. बास्केट, टोकरी. इंटरेस्ट, रुचि. लाइब्रेरी, पुस्तकालय. ऑफर्ड, प्रदान करना. फ्लू अप, तेजी से खड़ा होना. स्टन, गंभीर. ग्रफ, रूखा. रियलाइज, महसूस करना. एम्यूज्ड, खुश हुआ. डिसमे, निराश करना. We have completed the word meanings. Please learn it. Now we will do exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions. Answer these questions. Sorry. Question A. First, why did Joe toss up a snowball? Answer. Joe tossed up a snowball to grab Laurie's attention. Question number 2. Why did Laurie invite Joe to his house? Answer. Laurie invited Joe to his house to talk to him as he was feeling lonely and dull. Question number 3. What gifts did Joe bring for Laurie? Which one did he like the most? Answer. Joe brought a sweet dish named blancmange and cats. बेटे ये cats, kittens, okay, बिल्ली के बच्चे, cats for Laurie as gift. Laurie liked the cats most? Question number 4. Why did Laurie know all? What did Laurie know all the March sisters? How did Laurie know all the March sisters? Laurie को कैसे पता March sisters के बारे में? Answer. Laurie knew all the March sisters because he often used to hear them talking to each other, and also sometimes he used to see them sitting with their mother around the table. Question number 5. Why did Laurie's grandfather not allow him to visit their neighbors? Answer. Laurie's grandfather did not allow him to visit their neighbors because he thought that Laurie might disturb them. Question number 6. Why did Laurie leave Joe alone in the library? Did she mind? Why? Why not? Answer. Laurie left Joe alone in the library because the doctor had come to check on him. Joe did not mind because she got busy looking at the portrait of old Mr. Lawrence. We have completed exercise A. Now exercise B. Choose the correct answers to complete these sentences. First, Joe wanted to ask her mother. A. If she could invite Laurie home. B. If she could visit Laurie. C. What to gift Laurie. Answer, it's B. If she could visit Laurie. Now, 2. Laurie started cleaning and arranging things in his room because A. His grandfather had asked him to clean his room. B. He was bored as he had nothing to do. C. He wanted to look good and ready for his guest Joe. Answer, it's C. He wanted it to look good and ready for his guest Joe. 3. Joe felt sorry for Laurie because A. His grandfather never talked to him. B. He was unwell and lonely while she had fun with her family. C. He did not want to read all the books he had. Answer, it's B. He was unwell and lonely while she had fun with her family. Now 4. Joe started dancing when they reached the library because A. She was extremely happy to see the innumerable books, pictures, statues, tables and the great fireplace there. B. Her dream of visiting the mansion had finally come true. C. She would not have to meet old Mr. Lawrence in the house. Answer, it's A. She was extremely happy to see the innumerable books, pictures, statues, tables and the great fireplace there. We have completed the important questions. Now, please learn these question answers and word meanings. Thank you. Have a nice day.